All right, today's interview is with Jimmy James from the Bay Islands in Roatan, Honduras. Jimmy is a musician and singer who became well known during the 2019 and 2020 pandemic. DJ Sambula started doing a live YouTube and Facebook session from different restaurants in Roatan with the help of Jimmy James on the keyboard and vocals and Jimmy's uncle Walter James on the lead guitar. The name of the session was Live Band Dance on YouTube. So let's listen to the interview.
Fine, fine. Tell me, brother.
All right, this is Ronnie Figueroa from Los Angeles, California, man. Your number one fan.
Okay. How things, man?
Man, things are going great, man. I was calling because I wanted to get some information on what's going down in your neck of the woods, man, musically speaking.
You mean during the Christmas season?
Yes, for the Christmas season. What's going down? What's there, man? If we want to come down to Roatan, what can we look forward to?
Man, a lot of stuff going on, man. And like in Weston, and got a lot of clubs on it.
Right. Any plans on recording, Jimmy? Any plans on going into the studio and doing some professional recording?
Well, I'm at that right now, brother.
You're what?
I'm working on that right now.
Oh, okay.
What happened? I have a professional mixer for recording, but then I have to send it to the studio after to mix it down. But I already got like a few songs recorded, but then I don't have I don't know what but to send it to get it mixed and get fixed up,
Right. You have any contacts there in the island, or you want to work with someone in the States?
Yeah, because there ain't no one here, brother. There's no one here like for me to take it.
Do it professionally.
I can record it. Yeah, I can record it because I'm doing track. I'm doing 6 track. I'm doing bass, kick, snare, hi-hat, and accompaniment, and everything separated.
I see. Man, I could find somebody here, brother. We could find somebody here in Los Angeles, New York. We have plenty of youngsters with studios, people who are professional. They know what they're doing. You know what I mean? It's just a matter of getting on the phone, a 3-way phone call, so you could actually get to know the sound engineer. Even Little June could be one of the people that you may want to work with. You know Little June, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Little June, he went to recording school in Hollywood.
Okay.
Yeah, I could talk to Little June and see if we could have a 3-way conversation and maybe talk about bringing your music. You could send your files via WeTransfer, and then he could work on the best mix down. The way you want it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I wanted. I want good mix up, but I don't want on the vocal. I don't want the auto tune. I just want it natural.
Right. Professional.
Most people doing auto tune. The guys that can't sing, but that when you done with that, like it's only you can sing.
No, you don't need that. You're already a professional.
No.
Yeah, man.
So I'm working on it right now, brother. I'm working on it.
Yes, man. So what I'm doing is I'm recording this interview, which is very casual, you know what I mean, and then I put it on YouTube with your permission, so we could talk about Jimmy James and your music, man, and how talented you are, and maybe an opportunity to get out more of the island to come to the States. You have visa, right?
Yeah, I'm Christmas. I will be in Guyana. I've been traveling. I just came from Colombia. 25th I'll be in Guyana, and Valentine was supposed to be in the United States.
Wow, that's amazing, brother. In the United States, what state do you come to?
Well, I had someone already booked me for Louisiana, Texas, and Boston and New York.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, being able to get out of the island and do something different. I mean, because you're talented. You're way out there with the heavyweights, man, and it's nice for you to get out and maybe somebody will give you a nice contract. You know what I mean? And start seeing
Yeah.
some good money.
Well, that's what I'm working on right now, brother. That's what I'm working on. I'm working on growing more. You gotta, because we've been doing this for a long while, brother.
Yes, and you know
Actually,
what?
my whole my
The key,
uh
and I'm sorry to interrupt, but the key to your success has been the internet. I think that you have been able to during COVID-19 pandemic. I think the fact that you guys
yeah,
started doing lives, that was the key.
it
That was open the
that was the
door, right?
key. Actually, that opened up because our island we have a lot of good musicians. Because most of my family is musicians. Like my brother Joseph, uh, Jensen, Dwayne, all them guys are good musicians, But then we didn't have the way to people to the world to know it until with the pandemic. Then when I started doing the live, then that opened up the doors for everybody.
I remember, man, because we were locked down in the house, and then that's when we started looking at you guys a live video, and we got hooked. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
damn, man, because we used to Caribbean music, but then Belize lost it. See, I'm not trying to put down any Belizean musicians, but they lost that
Uh-huh.
music, that touch that you guys have. You guys still have it. You know what I mean? Where you still sing your
Yes, yes.
country music, you still sing the
Hey,
R&B, the blues, of course, is the same thing, right? But you still do the Caribbean calypso, soca, and reggae and blah. Man, you got it all. I think you guys put it on the map.
well, the thing is, you gotta always remember you gotta play what we grew up. Actually, I played. My thing is, I like the music while listening to when I was growing up.
Yes,
So
yes,
I just get with that and work hard and try to make a little twist on each one and make it to my flavor. I put it my style on it. Put my island's flavor.
yes.
So
And it's
that's what happened with that.
and it's nice, man. It's nice because and then one thing that always that I wonder, I go, why isn't Roatan and the Bay Islands, all three, right? Why aren't you guys part of the West Indies? Why aren't you guys part of CARICOM? You know what I mean? I don't know. I haven't seen you guys in that arena. You know what I mean? Where you are given more opportunity to interject and work with the other Caribbean islands, including the country of Belize. You're already going to Guyana, but Guyana is not an island, but it's also part of CARICOM.
Well, to be honest, brother, we just get recognized with our music by, like I said, by the pandemic. So we don't have association that like some other places. This is what I'm doing. I did it on myself, by myself, and on my own. I didn't have no help. And to grow, you gotta have someone backing you up to help you. So
Yes.
I'm grateful. I'm thankful to the Lord because I've come a long way. And I mean, we don't have no help. Actually, no help on the island. None
Right.
at
No,
all.
I see that. I see that. And then thank God that you guys have been able to stick together as musicians, you know what I mean? As the original people from that region, you know what I mean? Because now
Yes, yes.
I have seen the influx of other people into the islands and not to talk bad about anybody, but then hey, you guys got what it takes to be a Roatanense.
Yeah, we're Rotanian, yes, Rotanian.
Okay, Rotanian, gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Now,
Yeah,
Jimmy,
yeah.
going back a little bit of the history of you guys in the music world of the islands, um, what did you ever have anything to do with Revolution Band?
The revolution? No, 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 no,
Remember
no.
Revolution Band, right, from Roatan? Who was part of that? That was not you?
That was Jensen,
Sopa? Hmm.
Felipe, Felipe, and
La
the
Sopa también, right?
it's La Sopa, yeah. Also,
Uh-huh.
Green was a part of that.
Oh, okay. I always
No,
thought that you had any something to do with it, but then obviously you're not. You were never part of it.
no, I was always. Actually, my whole family, like we started look as a full live group. I started at drum. My dad used to play the bass. My uncle Walter, he's played the guitar, and my uncle Sheldon, he played the keyboard. But they were the first person that started it, and then it dropped to us, and we keep. And it came to a point that we could not do it anymore together, and so we decided, break it up, and each one went their way. You know.
Right. Well, I guess that's the way to make money because so you guys could spread out and be able to serve all the hotels that are actually requiring your service as an entertainer, right?
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. Because the thing is, with the whole live group, they didn't want to pay anything, so and otherwise we weren't making any money. So we had to find a way how to survive, to take care of our family.
Right, exactly. No, I
Yeah.
understand that. But then the live videos also gave you guys the doors open to the world. You know what I mean? And
Thank
so that
God, man. Thank
gave us
God.
the
Thank
opportunity to
God.
appreciate you guys for what you guys are. Very talented musicians and maintaining that music that you grew up with. You know what I mean? So we just fell in love with you guys. When I say we, is my family, my friends. We spread the word, and that's why at one point we were able to hire you guys to do a live video for the Garifuna Street Festival that we did virtually. And so we were able to buy a couple of tunes from you guys, live, live recordings, and uh,
Yeah.
and that even
Yeah.
opened the doors even more. You know what I mean?
Well, I'm very thankful. We come a long way, brother, and I'm very grateful and thankful for this because we've been doing it a long time, and we just till now people started recognizing us. Been doing it a long time.
Yes, yes, yes. Well, it's been a pleasure, man. Thank you for the opportunity to talk to Jimmy James from Roatan, and very
Yes.
talented individual and family, as you know, as you have shared with us. And is there anything else you want to add to this interview, man? Any message to the people out there who are always uh, waiting for you guys to do a live?
Well, the only thing I could say is thanks to all the supporters we had. Because without them, we're nothing. First is like the fans, and I mean we are very thankful to have them.
Thank you, brother. When are you planning to come to Los Angeles? As a closing question, right here.
Uh, uh, I don't know. I'm not too sure about Los Angeles, but I know I'll be going to the States pretty soon.
Okay. Well, we need to talk, man. Maybe there's an opportunity for us to bring you to Los Angeles for the very first time. There's a lot of fans, there's a lot of people who really love your music out here, and we have a strong community of Caribbean people here in this part of the United States, you know?
Man, I would love to. I would love to. I would love to go there and make you guys happy. With my music.
hmm Jimmy,
Just
if
do
anybody,
what I can do.
yes, man, if anybody wants to contact you, can you share your phone number at this point so that maybe I could put it on the screen, and then if anybody wants to hire you or buy music from you or anything, you know what I mean, business wise, are you willing to share your phone number, your contact?
Yeah, my phone number from back home is 98697775. Like first
Okay.
you have to put area code.
504 is the area code, right?
Yeah,
For Honduras. Okay.
504. Yeah, 504-9869-7775.
Jimmy, thank you so much, brother. God bless you and continue doing the great work that you do in the island of Roatan. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Jimmy James, all the way straight from Roatan, Bay Islands.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Ayo, bye
God
bye.
bless.
Okay.